Hello! It's the Millennium Falcon, an MPC or ERTL kit. Now this one is, I think, a re-release in time for Return of the Jedi, which is around the time where I bought it. And it's one of the largest kits that I ever bought at the time. It says here there are over 110 parts, which, considering how big a kit it is remarkably few, I would say. It says ages 10 to adult, a scale model kit, but it doesn't say anywhere what scale it is. It mentions that the rights are 1989, Lucasfilm Limited. It's a bit battered up. Another styrene glue together kit. Very straightforward. There are a few gimmicks to this. There's landing gear, the guns and the radar rotate. What else is there? There's a couple of figures in it. Look at it, it's massive! But it's just two halves sandwiched together. I have started it. You see that opening landing gear hatch? But it's a bit disappointing in that there are as few parts as there are. See the detail? It's a bit crude, to be honest. Considering the size of the kit, I would have wanted a lot more, but I suppose you could super detail it yourself. You get some clear parts for the windows, of course. I painted in this one because this is the back of the cockpit, and you get these clear windows for there's a couple of them, which is the rear half of the propulsion unit, or whatever you want to call it. I was expecting a massive decal for that. I don't quite see. I suppose you could light it up with some LEDs or something around the back. It's a bit plain for my liking. Oh, here we go. You want to see this? We have Han Solo, Chewbacca, and Luke. Tiny little figures. That's pretty much it. It's a fairly straightforward kit, and I haven't done very much with it at all yet. But I suppose if you weathered it and made it look all beat up like it's meant to, you won't really notice it from a distance. And that was my massive Millennium Falcon plastic model kit, as found in my parents' attic.